Hello, and welcome back to the Fluctus channel. The island country of Indonesia is rich in traditions, culture, and religious significance. Like much of Southeast Asia, it produces a variety of crops, including rice and sugarcane. Sugarcane was traditionally grown in small plots by local farmers. However, during the colonial period, sugarcane production intensified, and large plantations were established. Generally, the harvest season aligns with the dry season, which varies from region to region, but usually falls between May and October. This timing is crucial for maximizing sugar content and yield. Much of the work is still done by hand using traditional tools. From 2012 to 2022, the country produced an average of 2.3 million metric tons of sugarcane. As a major cash crop, working on sugarcane plantations and in processing factories is a major source of employment. Though most farms have some modern implements, even these can be decades old. A prime example is this train, a German-made field locomotive. This train was most likely brought to the island during colonial rule by the Dutch. Yet, it remains integral to the sugarcane harvest to this day. The cane fields are often located many miles away from the nearest town, and the terrain can make it very hard to transport the product by hand. Also, the age of the train and the tracks means workers must constantly maintain them, often assembling new sections of track by hand. These new sections help the trains reach new areas of the field without doing permanent damage to the environment. Yet, when everything is in working order, the train can drastically simplify the harvesting process, transporting thousands of pounds of sugarcane at once. The larger trains are just as old, so maintenance and upkeep are daily challenges. Operators are often busy themselves with checking the engines and other systems, while the sugarcane is loaded onto the back.
Ya, kalau penebang itu datangnya memang jam 5 pagi, terus tebang tebunya ya Mas ya. Nanti jam 8 itu pengeram itu datang, masang ramnya itu rel ke dalam lokasi, itu dipasang. Setelah itu kalau sudah selesai ram itu tadi, kosongan kan udah datang dari pabrik, itu dimasukkan kosongannya, ditarik sama kerbaunya itu Mas. Nanti kalau sudah selesai semua, ya penebang itu tadi naikkan tebunya itu ke lori gitu Mas, sampai penuh lah. Walaupun nggak penuh ya nggak apa-apa. Kalau bisa ya sampai penuh biar bayarnya gede gitu.
The goal is to fill up the trains as close to capacity as possible, ensuring a larger payout for the harvesters. At the end of the day, the larger trains move into place and haul the load back to the factory for processing. The trains are not fast, but operators must keep a close eye out for buffalo, which sometimes like to lie on the tracks. As it gets dark, they must affix candles to the train cars to see the path more clearly and ensure they don't lose any of their load.
Jalurnya tidak memadai ya lama, kadang ada kendala gitu. Tergantung jalur. Kadang tebunya limbang. Kalau musim hujan sering kayak gitu. Ya kadang logonya keluar dari rel. Ya masalah pulang nggak tentu. Pokoknya tebunya saya pulang tetap. Biasanya nggak pulang kan pagi.
No amount of maintenance can make these decades-old tracks safe. Trains frequently derail and must be put back on the track, sometimes in the middle of nowhere. If this happens at night, the repairs must either be done by flashlight or wait until morning. Depending on where the plantation is located, the journey can take hours. Upon arriving at the factory, the sugarcane will be weighed and removed. The trains are then cleaned, oiled, and prepared for another journey. In recent years, Indonesia has been making efforts to modernize its agriculture sector. These efforts typically involve a combination of government initiatives, technological advancements, and collaboration with international organizations or other countries. However, given ongoing problems with income inequality from island to island, it may be some years before these trains are completely replaced. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.